Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Have you been dreaming of starting your own business, but think it's impossible because you don't have a lot of money? Well, good news. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start your own business on a budget, even with just a few $100s. And by the end of this video, you'll see how it's totally achievable. Getting the right mindset. The first and most important step when starting a business on a budget is having the right mindset. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't have access to big capital. But remember, every great business started somewhere, and many successful entrepreneurs launched with next to nothing. What you need more than money is a plan, determination, and the ability to leverage the resources you do have. Choosing a business idea that fits your budget. Not every business needs thousands of dollars to start. In fact, some of the most profitable businesses today were launched with just the basics. Here are a few budget-friendly ideas. Freelancing or consulting. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, social media management, or consulting, you can start offering your services online. Drop shipping. With minimal upfront costs, drop shipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You work with suppliers who ship the products directly to your customers. Online courses or digital products. Do you have knowledge that others would pay to learn? Creating an online course or selling digital products like ebooks can be done on a shoestring budget. Content creation. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, content creation allows you to build an audience and eventually monetize through ads, sponsorships, and product sales. The key here is to choose something that matches your skills and interests but doesn't require significant upfront costs. Crafting a lean business plan. Once you've chosen your business idea, it's time to create a lean business plan. This plan doesn't have to be long or complex, but it does need to include your business goals. What do you want to achieve? Your target market. Who are your customers? Revenue model. How are you going to make money? Budget breakdown. How will you spend your limited funds? A lean business plan helps you focus on what's important and avoids unnecessary spending. Keeping costs low. Tools and resources. One of the most important aspects of starting a business on a budget is minimizing your costs wherever possible. Here are some practical tips. Use free or low-cost software. There are many free tools out there that can help you run your business efficiently. For example, Google Workspace for emails and documents, Canva for design, and platforms like WordPress or Wix for building websites on a budget. Work from home. Don't rush into renting an office or storefront. Work from home or use co-working spaces as needed to cut down on unnecessary overhead. Leverage social media. Instead of spending on expensive advertising, use social media platforms to market your business organically. Create engaging content, network with others in your industry, and build your audience for free. Outsource wisely. If there's something you can't do yourself, use freelancers from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for small tasks, keeping costs manageable. Legal setup without breaking the bank. Setting up the legal aspects of your business doesn't have to be expensive either. Here are a few budget-friendly steps. Business structure. If you're a sole proprietor or starting a simple business, you can often register your business with minimal fees. Research the cheapest options in your region or even start as a sole trader before scaling. Licenses and permits. Depending on your business type, you may need specific licenses or permits. Many can be applied for online at a low cost. Just make sure to research what's required so you can stay compliant. Banking. Open a separate bank account for your business. Many online banks offer free business checking accounts with no monthly fees, which is ideal for a startup on a budget. Marketing on a budget. Marketing can be one of the largest expenses for new businesses, but you don't have to spend a fortune. Here's how to promote your business affordably. Social media marketing. As mentioned earlier, platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are free to use. Post regularly and engage with your audience to build a following. Email marketing. Email is one of the highest ROI marketing channels. Use free tools like MailChimp to start building your email list early. Offer a lead magnet, like a free guide, to encourage signups. Networking. Get involved in your local community or join online forums related to your business. Word of mouth is a powerful tool and can bring you customers without costing a dime. Content marketing, blogging, creating YouTube videos, or starting a podcast can be very affordable, and it helps you establish authority in your niche while attracting new customers. Managing your budget and scaling smartly. Now that your business is up and running, managing your budget is critical. Track every expense and make sure you're not overspending. Invest in areas that are directly contributing to growth, like marketing or upgrading tools when needed, but avoid unnecessary splurging. Scaling tip: start small, validate your business idea, and reinvest profits back into your business. Over time, you can grow your business without taking on large amounts of debt or seeking outside investment. Staying resilient and adapting. Starting a business on a budget comes with its fair share of challenges. But stay resilient. It's all about adapting, learning from your mistakes, and growing as an entrepreneur. Every step, whether big or small, brings you closer to your goals. Success stories on a budget. Remember, some of the world's biggest brands started on a shoestring budget. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak started Apple in a garage. Amazon's Jeff Bezos launched his business from a small rented house. The journey may be tough, but it's possible. So, there you have it. Starting a business on a budget is totally achievable with the right plan, mindset, and tools. Whether you're offering a service, creating content, or selling products online, you can get started with limited resources and still make it big. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell so you never miss videos like this, packed with tips and tricks to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.